USB computer keyboards. There are two simple ways in which you can connect a keyboard to your computer. The first way is via serial port and the second way is via USB port, and this type of keyboard is known as USB computer keyboard. If you opt to connect a keyboard using the serial port, then it would be no problem because each computer or desktop has serial port for keyboards. While on the other hand, if you want to use USB keyboards, then you have to make sure that there is a USB slot that is unused. There are actually many advantages if you want to make use of a USB computer keyboard when compared to using a serial keyboard. First is the fact that USB computer keyboards are computer devices which function simply by plug and play. Know more about this by visiting www.usbcomputerkeyboard.net. Thank you.